Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today, I will show you how to draw vegetables, drawing and coloring corn and eggplant so easy. Let's start drawing. First, I draw corn like this. Do you know, corn is an ingredient to cook many delicious dishes? For example, popcorn is a favorite food of many children. To grow corn, farmers worked very hard every day. Next to corn, I draw eggplant like this. Eggplant is purple. To draw eggplant, we just need to draw a few simple lines like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use this yellow color to paint seed corn. Then I color this part green. Next, I color the eggplant, starting with green. Then I use this purple color to paint this part. Okay, we have almost completed the drawing. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.